Hello and welcome. My name is Ann Mowbray, and I'm here to guide you through the exciting journey of buying your first home. Together, we'll navigate the twists and turns of this process, from the crucial step of mortgage pre-approval to finding that dream home that ticks all your boxes. We'll walk through making an offer, the importance of a home inspection, securing financing approval, and finally closing the deal. So without further ado, let's dive into the first step, getting pre-approved for a mortgage. First things first, you need to know how much you can afford, and that's where mortgage pre-approval comes in. It's like a financial green light, signaling you're a serious buyer with the means to purchase. It's a crucial step, not just for you, but also for sellers who want assurance that you can hold up your end of the deal. To get pre-approved, you'll need a few key documents. Start by gathering proof of income. This could be pay stubs, tax returns, or T4. Next, your credit score will be checked. This 3-digit number speaks volumes about your financial responsibility. Lastly, you'll need to show you have money for a down payment. The exact amount varies, but typically it's about 5% of the purchase price. An optional but helpful step is working with a mortgage broker. They can guide you through this process, ensuring all your bases are covered. Once you've secured your pre-approval, you're ready to start looking for your dream home. Now that you know your budget, it's time to find the right home that fits within it. Remember, the perfect house might not exist, but the perfect home for you does. It's about setting realistic expectations and understanding what you can afford. Location, they say, is everything. Consider the proximity to schools, work, and amenities. Think about the size of the home and how it fits with your lifestyle. Will it accommodate a growing family? Do you need a home office or a large backyard? Then, there are those must-have features: a modern kitchen, hardwood floors, or maybe a fireplace. Everyone's list is different. It's crucial to prioritize what matters most to you. A realtor can be instrumental in helping you navigate these considerations and find listings that match your criteria. After you've found a suitable home, the next step is to make an offer. But we'll save that discussion for our next scene. Stay tuned. Making an offer can be a bit nerve-wracking, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through it. Submitting an offer is essentially putting your intent to purchase in writing. This includes your proposed offer price, which should be a figure you're comfortable with and is within your pre-approved mortgage limit. Now let's talk about conditions. These are factors that must be met for the deal to proceed. Common ones include financing and inspection. Essentially, you're saying, I'll buy this house if these conditions are met. Next, there's the earnest money deposit. This shows the seller that you're serious about buying. The amount varies, but it's usually a small percentage of the offer price. Lastly, you'll need to specify a possession date. This is the day you officially take ownership of the home. Remember, negotiation is a natural part of this process. The seller may counter your offer, and that's okay. Once your offer is accepted, it's time to move on to the home inspection and financing approval. The home inspection is a crucial step to ensure you're making a good investment. This is where a professional inspector comes in, examining the property to identify potential issues, from the roof to the foundation, plumbing to electrical systems, and everything in between. The home inspection can reveal hidden problems that could transform your dream home into a money pit. On the other side of the equation, the bank will review your financing. This means they'll take a close look at the property's appraisal, your creditworthiness, and your income stability. They're essentially making sure that the home is worth the investment and that you'll be able to repay the loan. Remember, the bank's approval isn't just a formality. It's a vital step in safeguarding your financial future. So be patient and thorough during this stage. After your financing is approved and the home passes inspection, you're ready to close the deal. Closing day is when everything becomes official. It's the day when the dotted line gets signed and the keys are handed over. You've made it. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. There are still a few important steps to take. You'll want to bring a lawyer into the picture, at this point. They'll help ensure all the legal paperwork is in order and that the property title is transferred correctly. They'll also facilitate the transfer of funds from your mortgage lender to the seller. Now, it's crucial to remember that there are additional costs on closing day. You'll need to budget for land transfer tax, legal fees, and don't forget about those moving expenses. These can add up, so be prepared. Congratulations, you're now a homeowner. But before we wrap up, I have a few final tips to share with you. Buying your first home is a big step, but remember, you don't have to do it alone. Take your time, don't rush, and don't be afraid to ask for professional help. There are experts out there who can guide you through every step of the process. If you need a hand, don't hesitate to reach out. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, I'm here to help you navigate the home buying process. Thanks for watching.